I am GR Shivshankar, General Secretary, Trade Union Coordination, TUCC Central Committee. And today I just want to say the real problems of the Electronic Media Technical Staff Workers Union. Electronic media, you see, one of the biggest media at present in India as well as in the state of Karnataka. Electronic media every day, it is just growing like a mushroom. And most of the electronic media already started and closed. When I specifically mentioned this, the state of Karnataka, already the Udaya news channel is closed, and then Samya channel is also closed. Focus TV is closed, VIP closed, and there are so many other channels has been closed. This shows that they already started, they are closed. Most more than 1,000 people have lost their job. This is a very unfortunate situation as in the media. I'm coming back to the real problems is concerned. There is no minimum wage fixed by the government of Karnataka as well as government of India. No minimum wage for the electronic media. And there is no DA. Whatever the government telling, these things is not available when the specifically in the scheduled employment they're not being included. In democracy, electronic media is one of the dominant position in democracy. It is more than a democracy most of the time they are acting. Because, of course, it is required. I am not saying that I am not criticizing electronic media which running, but I am just concerned as a trade union leader, I am concerned only the welfare of technical staff. As a trade union leader, if we sincerely ask, these electronic media employees are not only getting the minimum wage, they are not getting the bonus. It is a statutory obligation on the part of any employer in the country as per the Bonus Act. But how many employers in electronic media implemented? It is a question mark, big question mark. Because why I am telling? Because since last for more than 5 to 6 years, I am continuously fighting the biggest channel, news channel, that is a Sun Network channel, where Kalani, the man, biggest richest man in our South India, he is running the established Sun Network, but he is not paid the bonus. There is no DA. There is no living wage. What is the wage in Sun Network? They are getting only 12 to up to 14,000 rupees. How they can lead in Bangalore with having this 12 to 15,000 rupees, even 14,000 rupees, they can't lead the life. This is very unfortunate. And coming back to their facilities, social security, most of the completely in electronic media, then most of the people are not covered and their provident and as well as the ESI. This is the biggest lacuna in the electronic media. No leaves, no working hours. Okay, let them work. I'm not denying. Let them work any hour because now the government of India is bothered about introducing a 12 hours and all this thing. I'm not concerned. You work and simultaneously pay my whatever the labor I put for. These technical staff working so many years and very professional thing when they are not getting the salary at least 2 square meal if they every day if they are not getting, what is the use of working in electronic media? And this electronic media is very dominated, particularly in the political scenario. They are very much access with all the politics. They are access with all the departments. That means that they have very influence with all these things because even the most of the people were also afraid about this electronic media because they are criticizing. Of course, it is required. Where the corruption and other things, many electronic media is doing wonderful work. I am not denying. They are doing a wonderful work. But I am, as a trade union leader, I am concerned about the welfare of their own employees. After all, they are also working for the livelihood only. When they are not getting the minimum wage, when they are not getting the bonus, when they are not getting any statutory thing, is it not an exploitation? When they are talking about all the welfare of the whole society in through their media, why can't they not taking care of their own employees? It is a questionable. So I request the government of India introduce a minimum wage and statutory obligations is a compulsory. If we can make it to the electronic media staff, technical staff, they will be really very happy. Today, the government of India under the leadership of Modi, 20 lakhs crores rupees has given. But I request the government of Karnataka and government of India, electronic media, technical staff is also unorganized labor. Kindly give some relief to these people with that money. Because they are claiming that they are big, but they are not big. The technical staff is not getting any statutory thing. So I request the government of India as well as the state governments, Mr. Yediyurappa, kindly consider these people also as unorganized labor and introduce and get some compensation, particularly in COVID-19. Very unfortunately, I can tell you, many electronic media in Bangalore, they are reducing the salary from 25 to 30% against the Payment of Wages Act. Already it has been, I have got a documentary evidence in many media. So I request the government of India immediately intervene and resolve the problems of those employees. Thank you.